Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and we are doing the cold girl makeup look. So I'm starting off with the gloss liquid skin just around my cheek area, just to make sure I get a bit of glowy and dewiness on that. So we're starting off with our eyes. Yes, I don't usually do this unless I know there's going to be a bit of fallout and I don't want to deal with that when my foundation and base is on. So I'm just prepping and priming my eyes with this concealer. It's so good and it dries out matte. I'm going to be using the UJV Beauty eyeshadow palette and also the P. Louise Bridal Wishlist palette. So I'm just going to warm up my eyes using a warm color, which is like a brownish orange, where today we're doing an icy eyeshadow look as you've seen from the intro, and I'm using these grayish silverish eyeshadows to achieve that perfect icy look that I want on my eyes, but also something that's wearable. I don't want anything dramatic. This is something wearable. So we're gonna wipe all that fallout. This is why I went with just doing my eyes first, because the P. Louise eyeshadow does have a bit of fallout because it's got a bit of glitter in it. So I wanted to do white liner, but then I thought nah. So I just did a normal black liner, and then I'm using a bit of purple silver glitter just to achieve that icy look on the eyes. And I'm using some sparsy lashes. Then I'm going in with my H&B foundation, which I have been loving so much. Look how it blends just so seamlessly. I love that. We're going to bronze up our face / contour with this La Cava cream contour product. You know, when you find a good contour product, you just never let it down. And also using the H&B concealer, I'm loving just this whole combo together. And I'm also going to put a bit of liquid lipstick from Some Sugar Lips, with also pairing with Love Cake from She Glam. And I'm just gonna blend that all together. The highlight of this makeup is the blush, because you want to look like you're blushing but you're not blushing. But we know as black people we don't really blush, but it's makeup and it's art. So yeah, blending all that together. Let me know in the comments if you've also tried this makeup trend. So I'm going back in with this blush again, liquid blush, just to emphasize on the blush. We want to make it wearable but not make it look crazy. I'm setting with my Huda Beauty Banana Bread because I don't want an orangey kind of setting powder. Then we're going back in with more pink on the nose this time. I know it may look a little extreme, but it does come out flawless at the end. So trust the process. I'm putting a bit of white at the bottom because I just wanted that look to just look like it's ice, you know, it's cold, you know, just the vibe of the cold girl makeup basically. So since we are in the mood of the pink blush, we're also using a iridescent pink eyeshadow from Juvia's Place. This is in the Finesse palette, and I'm gonna line my lips. We're going for a pinkish lip combo, and guess what? It's gonna be glossy. So this is what I'm just doing, using a little bit of that pink that I used on my cheeks, and I'm using it also on my lips. And I'm also just gonna contour my lips to get that perfect lip combo. What kind of makeup look would it be if I don't put my beauty marks? Hello. Been loving this setting spray from L'Oreal, and it's a 3-second setting spray that does not transfer your makeup, and it's gorgeous. I love it. So So guys, this is the final look. I tried to take it up a notch with getting my scarf that my sister needed for me, because all the pictures I was seeing were like the warm headbands and I didn't have that. I was gonna like customize something, but I just thought maybe the scarf will work out, but I don't want to put it on for too long. It's quite warm in the studio because of the lights, so I can't stay with it on. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this cold girl makeup look. It's really sweet. I like that it's trending. Obviously this is dark skin friendly because we don't really blush, do we? Like we don't, unless you're like really like light skinned. So it's just fun to play around with because you will not see any ounce of pink on us if we're blushing. You just will not. So I hope you enjoyed this look, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you, if you enjoyed this makeup look and if you're enjoying these videos that we're doing, please hit that subscribe button and become part of the community. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.